Welcome to my channel. How to log into Range XTD Wi-Fi Extender. Log into Range XTD Wi-Fi Extender via 192.168.7.234. Ensure that your Range XTD is on and is properly connected to the main Internet gateway. Once ensured, turn on your PC and open Wi-Fi settings. There, look for the SSID of your Wi-Fi booster. The default SSID is Range XTD. Connect to the extender's SSID and open a web browser. Then, input the IP 192.168.7.234 and press Enter. A login page will show up. There, enter the default password admin into the given field and select Login. The admin password of your repeater is case-sensitive. How to use Range XTD Controls app. Open the Range XTD Control app on your mobile phone. You will see a login screen. Input the administration password of the repeater. Tap Login. You will successfully land on the dashboard of the app. Tap the respective menu to change the home network settings. Now login process can be completed with the help of the mobile application.